Hello and welcome to the channel. Please feel free to subscribe, which will help the channel out. So today we're going to be making some fishing weights. So this is going to be very simple, and I don't think this has been covered either. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making fishing weights out of copper pipe as our mould. So let's get on the workbench and we'll show you how it's done. So we're going to start off with a length of copper. We're going to cut it to our required length. So here we have one cut and a 22mm one cut as well. And smooth it all out with sandpaper. So when we do our mould, it just falls out. We're going to need some stainless steel wire. So we're going to bend it so it looks like a loop, like this. So with a little offcut, we can place this on here. So that is the mould ready to go. Right, so here we just have an old tin, and I've just crimped this edge here for our pouring spout. So we can melt our lead in a few different ways. We can use a plumber's blowtorch. So this kicks out about 2000 Celsius, which is plenty for what we need. We could even use one of these. This also can produce a maximum temperature of 2000 degrees. So we've got all sorts in here. We've got a few pellets and old weights, fishing leads that you see washed up on the shore. So this should be enough to make our little one. So we're going to do something a little bit different with the 22mm. So we're going to expose the thread about 10mm, place that on top and put the other nut on the other side just to keep that in place while we do our mould. And then by putting our copper pipe over central, this could be a bike spoke, so you can make your own, this inside. Right, so we've got both jigs set up, ready to go. It's time to melt our lead. Please do this in a very well ventilated room, but preferably please do it outside. And have your pliers on standby. So, and please use some sort of gloves, and if you are inside, a respirator as well. So this will melt in here, but I'm just going to speed the process up. So now we have our molten lead. It's time to fill up our mould. So nice and gently. So time for the big one. So what's happening here is when we heat the lead up, it expands and we pour it into our moulds, and it's going to contract and microns, but enough so the lead slips out the pipe nicely. Right, we'll just let them set for about 5 minutes. We'll go and have a cup of coffee, we'll come back and we'll take them out of the moulds. Right. We are cooled down now. So it should be as easy as this. They just slip out. So here we have our homemade fishing weight. Very effective, very quick. What a lovely little hack, eh? So now she's free and she should just slip straight out. Still a little bit warm. We'll still let that cool down a little bit. But as you see, she's coming out. Still quite warm, it should be alright. We should just be able to pull that out. Anchors on, and we have our very own fishing weight. You can buy these in their hundreds, they work out about 6p each. So please be careful when working with molten lead, it can be very dangerous. Please be in a very well ventilated space. Well, thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure making me fishing weights. Don't forget to go and check out the bait pump on how this was made in our last video if you already haven't. Very cost effective, just please be careful. We don't want no accidents now, do we? So, you know, do a little bit of research on it, read up what to do, what not to do. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Very easy to make. I can't believe it hasn't been covered before. So simple. Right.